welcome to the Politricks watch. This is RP. Now, I'm going to be talking about Nigel again. You see, today is the day, right? Nigel will be, right, kinda laid to rest. I say kinda because he will not be having a traditional funeral. Because he can't have a traditional funeral because of the security risk involved. Yes, August 1976 lost his life. Even after I'm gone, his family can't get a traditional burial, a proper send-off. Let me say, because of security issues. I will tell them about the operation that was supposed to catch one of the people involved in Nigel's murder and who had started the case. Your favorite squad of them turned it into a circus. Right. Before we go any further, even in death, we can still celebrate somebody's life. And that's Tafari, Patreon squad member, today and birthday. Next month will be 4 years since he's been a part of the Patreon squad. 4 years, right? Been with the movement since 3,000 subscribers. Tafari, big up yourself. And no say I tune in. No say really rate Nigel thing too. Hope you have a great day. But while you celebrate your birthday, keep your phone close to you because you're not going to miss some of the things that might drop today. Tafari, big up yourself. So let me get the ceremony out of the way. Nigel's quote-unquote funeral will be online. It will be 2 p.m. Ireland time. Let me say that one more time. It's scheduled for 2 p.m. Ireland time. There's going to be a link in the comment section, with all the instructions you're going to need to watch the funeral. Let me just say this. Nigel's death will not go in vain. Therefore, a number of people basically get put on notice. Even though Nigel's associated with Augusto, he was killed in a St. Catherine, so the Spanish Town police them carry out quote-unquote operation, but really was a flop operation. They had the intel as to who take what night because it was a big program, whole lot of people involved. They got the intel, and one of the key players of the night, and then immediately run gone at the yard. Where the boys stay, like some real amateurs. So he wasn't there. And now he knows them go there. And he's nowhere to be found. They also have the intel on the fact that Ninja and Dave them found the hitman Nigel. Them know about the role people like Glasses Man playing at the murder. Them know everything. Not only did they miss the opportunity to catch the youth, all them have to do is just stake out the yard. Just stake out the yard and make the youth turn up and then catch him. Matter of fact, their performance was so shambolic. As far as I'm concerned, they must be colluding with the youth because nobody can fool so. On top of that, Ninja them even flying at the island to go party. Yeah, flying for go sands. We'll soon hear about them on sands in our next video. Them get the intel say the man them go drop a Iron Man. And then get intel say the man them did a Iron Man. And again, did nothing, even though by this point they already had the intel. So I ninja them. On the whole thing. Next thing we realized, not only did the so-called lawman them know ninja them was in Iron Man. One time I check it out and get the confirmation. Guess who done a Santa play bodyguard to the same people them who kill off Nigel. Police. Same police. Now you know why. Even though them here say the man them a drop a Iron Man, the man them there Iron Man. Right. Nothing happened. Because they were too busy partying with them, yes. Ninja them up. Police are protect them the whole weekend. Iron Man. I drink off at the same table as the money them supposed to be quote unquote investigating. But when I heard who was carrying out the ops, I knew to be a failure. I mean, remember we are talking about the same type of police them set up in a bus park or Spanish Town and watch man collect extortion until they say them can't do nothing about it. How on earth can they be tasked with anything important to go do? But in fact, two dog from the man take up the animal leave, but they probably do a better job. And look at the man them who really dip on top of them game, don't even in the division anymore. I mean, ask anybody from Rivali, Waterloo, and Laristan, just ask residents about them. Not care much intel they give them, not care what you tell them, nothing can done. But, oh, this and that and Harsted and Comfort and Dark Skinny. When I heard about Nigel operation, I'm kind of ashamed, man. So now, we're changing gear. For the first time, we're moving out of one gear. Today. This entire time I one gear, you know. So because the quote unquote lawman them won't do them job, the following persons are getting advanced one. First up on the list, Big Ed Zaba. Use your political and police leaks them to help them. Don't go out as embarrassing as the last person who may tell if you prepare. The snake. I'm rooting for you, Zaba. Right. You know, everybody say your links them big. Right, I know you might think, oh, you have a trump card up your sleeve, play it. But be warned, my counters, well, ask the snake. Because of Mr. Everybody I tell me how your links them big. I know you have much politician power. And how you have much links at the station. I know you come from far in the badness. Man physiques, them days and the Zaba. Now we're going to put your supposed strength to the test. Ninja and Dave will not already know how that guy already. But I want to know, play the role of spectators for a while. You get to watch all this unfold. Which one on the volume more? Clarky, down at Alpha Station, or Foster? If you don't pick one, then I will pick both. People always wonder how come soon as certain reporting at the station, the man them ear back. Puss in Boots and his sidekick governor. Soon I laugh on stage to make a dead. I give them something for laugh more. Today, we are going to hear something for the laugh about. Especially you, Diablo, or Governor, whatever you want to call yourself. Remember from sus them days till now you are sponsor yourself. And then go up on TV and act like it is. You know, there's a normal youth, so look at humble youth just trying to. Just like your boss Puss in Boots. Well, the buck stops here. And that's the people like glasses man and they meet them. I like when time when they laugh. I like when time when they laugh first. Because you know what them say about the last laugh. Tune into Nigel funeral. There's a special surprise in that too. After the funeral, later in the evening, you're going to hear some real exclusive. Right. we'll be having guests. That's guest with a S on the end, plural. Yes, not one, but multiple gang members. You'll be hearing things coming out of for them mouth. It's enough like a spooky thing are going. It's enough like a spooky things are going. I've never seen a trial like the Klansman gang trial. I've never seen witnesses get dealt with like the Klansman witnessed them. Something is not right. There's no more time for delay. Time for going a second gear. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more like Politricks squad, stay circling, bless.